Alright guys, updating you guys again. We're up. We're up pretty nice right now, 212 pips. As you can see over here, I got 5 positions and I'm up 211 pips. Like I told you guys yesterday that the market was going to come down. It was going to hit the 120 mark. Hit the 120. Let's go in a little closer. Hit the 120 mark right here. Came back in and closed, went back up to the 12500, and it came down and broke the 120, and then it retested the 120, and now it's falling, closing in on 119,500. Hopefully we can get more bear pressure on the 4. Have bears stepping into the market early in yesterday's session, probably about 3 or 4 hours into yesterday's or today's session. So we're hoping to finish strong. I want to close around this 119 area. That'll be a good level for me. Just to make a quick update, we're up 292 pips now. We touched 300 a while ago, so man, we're just gonna let this thing run and see how far I can go. Just wanted to throw that back in there, man, just to let y'all know I'm updating, keeping it live, keeping it locked. We're trying to get these pips, So yeah, man, until next time, I'll stay light.